Alright, B, what's the plan?
Heading to the desert.
Yeah? Where are we going first?
We're gonna go to the gas station first. And then we're gonna go to Shaniko via the 97.
Cool. Right on. Overcast skies, nice and cool. Perfect time to go to the desert.
At the 44 trails on the side of Mount Hood, and then we're going to head to Dufur and then head east. Are at the Claro station outside of Fossil in Oregon, part of the John Day fossil beds, and we are looking at some rolled leaf fossils.
So you can see like the veins of the leaves captured in the rock. Pretty much all over here. Pretty cool, huh?
It's extremely cool.
I don't know what it's called, I can't remember.
We are on the lovely John Day River. We had a fabulous day of riding ghost towns and small towns and seeing fossils and just outside of Fossil. Here we are in absolute comfort along the John Day River.
We're down here on the beautiful John Day River. Pretty green and lush right here by the river, but of course very deserty all around. But today we're gonna be headed up over Ochiko Pass. Good morning, Beth.
Good morning.
What's going on?
We're packing up camp so we can get on our motors and head towards Shaniko. Going towards Mount Hood to go up and around to avoid the beastiest of the winds. And yeah, just cruising home on a slightly chillier day than what it anticipated. Right over here had some festive moments. There were some pretty high winds. We're very grateful that we made the route choice that we did and didn't encounter anything higher as far as winds go.
Yeah, we traded high winds for rain, looks like, though.
Yep. There is no easy path.
Alright. Frog Lake is pretty. Never been here before?